Did you know you can grow onions from store-bought ones? Imagine your kitchen always stocked with fresh onions, right from your backyard. In this video, we'll delve into this fascinating, cost-saving practice. Stay tuned to learn how to do this simple yet rewarding gardening hack. First, you'll need to prepare the store-bought onions. Select a healthy, organic onion. It's essential for successful growth. Look for one with a firm texture and no signs of rot or mold. Now, let's get to cutting. Carefully slice off the top of the onion, leaving the root end intact. This root end is your ticket to new onion growth, so handle with care. Make sure to leave a good portion of the onion attached to the roots. Now that your onions are prepared, it's time to plant. With your onions prepared, the next step is to plant them. Start by choosing the right soil mix. A blend of compost and garden soil works wonders. Dig a hole about 2 inches deep and place your onion roots facing down. The spacing is key here. Give each onion a good 6 inches of space to grow and flourish. Follow these simple steps, and your onions will be well on their way to sprouting. With the onions in the ground, the next step is to care for them as they grow. Growing onions need proper care and attention. Just like any other plant, onions thrive with the right amount of sunlight and water. Be sure to water them regularly, but avoid overwatering as it could lead to bulb rot. Full sun is ideal, so ensure your onions receive at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, and remember, patience is key. Onions can take several months to mature. With the right care, your store-bought onions will flourish into a fresh crop of onions in your own garden. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We transformed store-bought onions into thriving plants, an easy and rewarding process. This simple method not only saves money, but also adds a green touch to your space. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.